What's up, guys? It's your girl, Stephanie. Steph delivers. You know. All right, guys. So I'm out dashing yesterday, and I get this order. And I'm like, drive SOF? What the heck is that? Anyway, I accepted it. I knew it wasn't a real drive because I never signed up for the real drive catering gig. But I was already in the parking lot at Buca di Beppo, so I just rolled up on in that piece. Now, when you click pickup instructions, it's going to say, tell the restaurant employee that you're here for a dispatch order, ID number, blah, 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 blah. So that's what I did. And basically, it's just sort of a catering order, but it's not. It's just that the customer is ordering in bulk. Let's just say they ordered Caesar salad. Instead of just giving me 5 different separate Caesar salads, it's just all in one tray. That's all it is. You know, like lasagna. It's going to be in a bigger tray, not separate lasagnas. They have 6 people at their house or whatever. Instead of ordering that way, it's just one big tray. And that's it. And these go to a customer. They don't go to a business. And it is what it is. The guaranteed amount, it is what it is. However, I did have an order for 9 and some change, but the customer gave me $5 when I got there. They invited me in there. I said, hey, come on in. Yeah, we're having a party. And this is, they had Brussels sprouts and prosciutto. This is just one of the restaurants that we ordered from. We ordered from another restaurant too. Anyway, they were kind of cool and they were kind of fun. And, yeah, so it's just, nothing major. It's not like it's a catering deal and you got to set it up or anything. Nothing like that. But I do recommend that you guys, if you're going to be getting these orders and you don't want to decline them, you're going to need a catering bag because you're going to be receiving big bags of food. If you don't get the DoorDash catering bag, get a catering bag that is big enough for, 2, 3, 4 bags of food, at least, all right? Now, the catering bags at the DoorDashStore.com are about $40 or so. I got mine at my local office for $14. So check with your local office and see how much they are there, all right? So just want to put that out there. God bless y'all. God love you. Be safe. Oh, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Take care. Bye.